Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Sandy. So today I have 10 cute, simple and fun hairstyles to style your frontal wigs or even your natural hair. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Also, please subscribe to my channel because you want to be lit with me. Comment below, let me know what you think. Hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So yeah, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video and you made it to the end, I really appreciate it. Make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up and also comment below and subscribe to my channel because you want to be lit with your girl. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can't fuck with your man them. Talk too much, me no like them. See me with my people, you for stand firm. Know a couple people back, you can't